Rashmi Thakran, and today I'm here to answer all your questions related to law exams and legal careers and much more. So wait for it. So today's topic is AIB. So when we talk about AIB, the first question that strikes in our mind is what exactly it is. So AIB is All India Bar Council exam, which you need to qualify for being a lawyer in India. So a lot of you have asked me कि कौन इस एग्जाम को दे सकता है और recently जब से सुप्रीम कोर्ट की नई जजमेंट आई है तो it has been a blunder. So let me make it clear for you. So now all those students who are right now in third year of LLB and fifth year of BA LLB or BCom LLB or BBA LLB integrated course can appear for AIB. So let's talk about the structure of the exam. When we talk about the structure of the exam, then you get 3 hours and 30 minutes for 100 questions, and those 100 questions has to be answered in the maximized time limit. So what's the pattern of the exam? So you get 3 hours and 30 minutes for answering 100 questions, and those 100 questions would be MCQs obviously. So now the most crucial question is how to prepare for this exam. As you all know कि ये एग्ज़ाम एक ओपन बुक एग्ज़ाम है, तो बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स को ये क्वेश्चन रहता है कि इसके लिए प्रिपेयर कैसे करें. ये तो बहुत इजी होने वाला है, आप जाके बुक देखेंगे और आंसर कर देंगे. But no, it's not like that. So firstly, understand the syllabus. Focus on the key areas like the constitutional law, criminal laws, and the professional ethics. Secondly, be familiar with the Bare Acts. When you'll be familiar with the Bare Acts and when you sit in the exam with all those Bare Acts, it would be easy for you to find the questions that has been asked in the question paper. So to be comfortable with the exam pattern, you should give a lot of mock tests. Make yourself comfortable with all the things you study and retrieve the stuff which you have been studying from past 3 years or past 5 years. So not practicing time management is one of those mistakes. So you have to make sure that you're solving all the questions within the time frame. So you got a lot of language options when you're filling the form for AIB. So choose the one you're most comfortable with. So when we talk about the AIB exam, there are a lot of things that you have to keep in mind. And most importantly, you have to keep the examination passing criteria in your head. So there is just 40% passing marks that you require to get certified as a lawyer and to pass the exam of AIB. So the next question is how to register. So to register in AIB exam, I have listed the link in the description box down below. You can go there and register yourself. So here are some common mistakes that almost all the aspirants do, and one of them is over-relying on the open book test exam. So when we talk about the open book test exam, basically people think it would be a piece of cake, but trust me, it's not. So not practicing time management is one of those mistakes. So you have to make sure that you're solving all the questions within the time frame. So not organizing the study material would be another mistake. You have to be really familiar with the Bare Acts and the study material that you use on your daily basis. So the last minute quick tips are here for you. You need to be calm and composed on the day of exam. You need to read all the questions carefully and then answer it. Have your material organized beforehand. Stay confident, guys. You got this. I hope you guys found this video helpful and this helps you in the journey of your AIB exam. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and your colleagues, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe.